Alrighty, so 2008 Audi A4. There's plenty of videos around of these guys to make for a good Christmas party entertainment. Alright, so turbo. You gotta replace the filters at least twice on the live service of these vehicles, because if you don't, you end up messing up the turbos and plenty other things. I want to show you, friends. That's oh my jeez, I feel bad every time I pull it. Look at that. This poor guy has service like a good turbo. Right there on the bottom of the turbine side of the turbine wheel, you can see that the bottom of it does no longer has that flat wheel like this one, like this flat wheel right here with the blade seat. It doesn't even have that anymore. So what happened is that when the exhaust hits it and it tries just to return it, the exhaust also escapes on this plate right here, and that's why you end up also having bad bearings. But I mean, this guy is so worn now that the turbine wheels are smashed. So when this guy makes boost, it actually starts turning, and it starts getting so much pull that it actually starts hitting the inside of the manifold. And on this side, it pulls on that side. You know, it would play. It's gonna have axial play, and of course, it's gonna have radial play because it rotates so fast. But when it gets axial load and it pulls that way, we can see here that the ends of the impeller blades, they are all sharp. This one is a good example right here. This one is like very sharp right here on the end, what is being just hitting the housing of the turbo. And this top over here, they're all sharp, whatever you just been hitting. It's just, and I mean, and this poor guy still needs to make boost. So motor turns on, customers floors it, oil rushes in here, and he just has to turn. I mean, it's impossible. The only time this guy is not gonna turn is when this shaft that connects these two wheels breaks, and this section actually ends up inside the manifold. And that's actually pretty bad, because that ends up blocking your exhaust, and people sometimes don't know, or they don't care, and it ends up overheating your catalytic. So that's what is not happening. But anyway, I'll make another video once it's running, and I'll let you friends know how it goes. Appreciate. It's lunchtime. Gotta go eat.